Hello YouTubers, welcome to Blue Toys. Today I'm going to show you this 2-in-1 Mack tow truck from Disney Pixar Cars and Fisher-Price. This Mack combines what every boy loves the most, truck and tows. That's because the hauler is a toolbox. Just empty it out and it becomes a workbench. It's time to see what comes with Mack. 2 ramps, 2 screws, 2 nails, 1 hammer, a wrench, and of course Lightning McQueen. The eyes and logo on the hood are stickers. Time to start building the ramp. And how about we try some other cars here? Now it's time to clean up. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.